Hi everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick here, and it is Christmas Day. So Merry Christmas to you. We have made it. We have made it through the entire month of Vlogmas. Well, not the entire month, but day 1 through 25. And I have been able to show you 25 different garlands that I really liked and I think would make great projects. Oh, my clasp is in the front. That drives me crazy. Okay. So anyway, yeah, Merry Christmas. So I saved this particular garland for the end for Christmas Day because of the theme of it. So this one is angels. It's got all of these angels that are just strung across, and it just makes me think of, you know, the song about the angel Gabriel and, you know, telling Mary that she's going to have a baby and a little boy child named Jesus. So I really liked the idea of saving the angel for the last garland for Vlogmas. So this one is Lucy, no, I always get her name wrong, goldenlucycrafts.com. I have discovered her in this garland journey. I have just discovered her patterns, and I really have enjoyed checking out all of her patterns. She's really creative. She does a lot with the heart shape, so she can take a heart and do lots of different things with it, and I think that's really, really cute. So if you haven't checked her out, go ahead and give her a check. And yeah, let me know what you think of this garland, because I think it's really, really sweet. I just really like it a lot. So I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful Christmas day and enjoying the beauty in it. And I will see you next time. Have a great day, everybody, and Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.